we are introducing analog time. You will notice that inside our clock, we have numbers in yellow. Those numbers will represent your hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those numbers will represent the hours, and the hours are always represented by the short arm, okay? And then you will notice outside of the clock, we are counting in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So when we are counting in fives, it will take us right up to 60 to go around the clock, okay? And the red numbers, the fives, represent our minutes. Our minutes will always be represented by the long arm. So if the minutes are represented by fives, it will take us 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. It will take us 60 minutes to go around the clock fully, which means that in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes altogether. When the long arm is at 60 minutes, or it's at 12, that means we are at the top of an hour. And which hour are we at the top of? That will be shown to us by our shorthand. So if the long arm is on 12 and the short arm is on 1, that means that the time is 1 o'clock. If the long arm is on 12 and the short arm is on 2, that means it is 2 o'clock, top of the hour at 2 o'clock. If the long arm is at the top of the hour and the short arm is on 3, that means that it is 3 o'clock. O'clock is always at the top of the hour. O'clock. Long arm is at the top of the hour and the short arm is on 4. So the time is 4 o'clock. The short arm is on 5 and the long arm is at the top of the hour. So it is 5 o'clock. And this way, long arm is at the top of the hour. Short arm is at 6. So now it is 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock.